Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of all devices on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile image in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap the three lines button in the top right corner. Choose Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, choose Security. In the Security settings, tap Login Activity. Here is a list of all the places you are logged in. To log out of a device, tap the three dots button to the right of it. Then tap Logout. Tap OK on the pop-up. Do this for all of the devices that you would like to log out. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.